Facelift Magic Pack, DIY. Tight, firm, younger-looking skin from day one, 100% results. Use this mask daily for 7 days. Watch your skin transform. Here's how to make this glow-boosting mask at home. Take 1 egg white. Take 1 tablespoon of honey. Add 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Whisk together honey, egg white, and glycerin together in a bowl. Gradually add flour, mixing until mixture forms a thick paste. Apply to the face and wait 10 minutes. Remove mask and splash face with cold water. Benefits: a homemade face mask made of egg white, glycerin, and plain flour is intended to offer several advantages to the skin, such as minimizing oil production, shrinking pores, and possibly even getting rid of facial hair. While glycerin adds a moisturizing and hydrating effect, egg whites are thought to help tighten and firm the skin. Plain flour can absorb extra oil and serve as a mild exfoliant. Your glow starts now. Try it today.